Have you ever wondered why you suddenly sneeze when you look at the sun? Well, you're not alone. This strange phenomenon is called the photic sneeze reflex, and it affects about 1/3 of the population. But why does this happen? Let's dive into the science behind it. When bright light hits your eyes, it triggers a response in your brain that's closely connected to the area controlling sneezes. This response is a bit of a mix-up in signals, causing some people to sneeze when exposed to sudden bright light. Interestingly, this reflex is often inherited, so if your parents sneeze in the sun, there's a good chance you will too. So next time you step out into the sunlight and feel a sneeze coming on, remember, it's just your photic sneeze reflex in action.